I've got my roof halfway up this hill. I'm just taking a break right here. I'm being swarmed by bugs. Can you see these? I'm gonna have 700 bug bites. Oh. I've got this much more to go for the roof. The rest of the pieces are still down there. I'm getting so fucking close though. My phone is absolutely disgusting dirty. I can't get my footing on anything. Plants in the way. I should not have done deadlifts yesterday. Stay. Go down. Where am I even gonna put this? Be back. I'll put this here. Where else am I gonna put it? Nope. I don't know. No. My hands hurt. I did it. I just carried this one up. This and this were my door. Huge bummer. Plastic, almost all of it can be reused. I'm pumped about that. Oh my gosh. Roof. Sunset. I'm literally dying right now. Okay. And that's where it was. Whew. My hands hurt so bad. Now I'm going. Oh.